Hello to everyone and welcome to the Pandas course. My name is Mahdi, data scientist and machine learning developer. In this video, we're just going to answer the question, is pandas worth to learn, or should I learn pandas, or is it essential to learn pandas as a data scientist? Without further, let's go. First of all, let's speak about this step. What is pandas library? Pandas is a popular Python library for data manipulation and data analysis. It provides us two main data structures. First of all, we've got series, which are one dimension, and on the other side, we've got data frame, which are two dimensions. It makes us easy to clean, process, and analyze the data, totally working with data. And pandas can handle tasks like filtering, grouping, and merging the data, or maybe reading or writing from formats like CSV and Excel. So by learning pandas, we have this ability to work with a lot of different data and file formats. We can read them, we can work with them, and we can have our data analysis on them, and we can save them the way that we want. And in total, we've got three different types of data structures, which are going to be series, data frame, and panel. Let's speak about the cons and pros of pandas. First of all, on the left side, we've got the pros, which is going to be data representation, less write and more work done, efficiently handles large data, flexibility and customization of data, which totally I'm just going to say it's going to be fast and customizable. On the right hand, we've got the cons: memory consumption, steeper learning curve, dependency on external libraries, and performance limitations. We can see some cons on the pandas library, but in totally it's absolutely worth to learn because I'm just gonna focus more on the advantages of pandas for data analysis you should know. And especially if you are a machine learning developer or a data scientist, it is essential and forced for you to learn pandas because it gives you a superb ability to work with data. It is easy to use, efficient data structures, powerful tools, simple data merging, simple column and row operation. You can work with the flexible data. You can just use pandas with other libraries, which it is compatible with NumPy and Matplotlib and others. Pandas can cope with missing values, and it has a lot more advantages. So you can just learn pandas. And in totally, when we are speaking about the pandas library, we've got a table like this. I'm just going to say in general, not exactly in one field. When we have a data and we're just going to work with it, we're going to have some columns, we're going to have our data, we're going to have our column names with its information, we're going to have rows, some of them maybe be empty, some of them may be null, maybe we're just going to get the average of the age or the sum of the numbers, and we can do all of them with pandas library. And as this picture, I just wanted to give you a simple overview or schema of pandas and how we're just gonna work with it. And finally, if you just want to find out more data about working with pandas, you can just search pandas and come to the pandas official website, and you can just click on the documentation, and here you can see the user guide or getting started with pandas. And here you can see everything that you need to know. For example, I'm just going to click on chart visualization, and here you can see that it has a lot of codes and examples. So thank you guys for watching the video until the end, and in the future videos we're just going to get deeper and deeper into what is going on in pandas and have some real-world examples and work with the data. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and leave me a comment. I wish you guys a great time. Stay tuned.